Federal Reserve Chair Jerome Powell bracketed gold and Bitcoin as speculative assets. This has increased the raging global debate on gold versus Bitcoin as assets with a store of value. Our next report telling you more.
Powell, during the New York Times Deal Book Summit in New York, said people use Bitcoin as a speculative asset. He added, "It's like gold, only it's virtual, it's digital." That comment has many market watchers questioning Powell's comments, putting gold and Bitcoin on the same side of the coin. The argument is, how can the chief of the most powerful country's central bank forget that gold for centuries and longer has been the store of value underpinning global currencies? The comments of the head of the issuer of the world's reserve currency is taking the internet by storm. Many question Powell's statement on gold being a speculative asset. Jerome Powell, the founder and manager of the Blockland Smart Multi-Asset Fund, in a post on LinkedIn referring to Powell, said, "Does he really think gold is just a speculative asset? That would be wild." While others say Powell's view is completely understandable, they say one may make the case that gold is primarily an asset for speculation. Simply put, what exactly is a store of value? People need to think that gold is a good investment and that other people share their beliefs for it to function. One might say that gold and Bitcoin are and will always be speculative assets. But that belief might change if, say, a new asset emerges and proves to be a better store of value, like Bitcoin. To put it another way, one is betting that people will keep seeing gold and Bitcoin as safe havens. Even if one presents compelling evidence in its favor, some degree of doubt will remain. To put things into context, Bitcoin has surged past $100,000 for the first time in a chart-busting rally since Trump's win about a month ago. The OG token has surged over 135% this year compared to gold's 35% rise. Trump's election victory triggered a risk-on rally in the digital assets industry. Crypto trading volume surged to $10 trillion for the first time in November. On the other hand, gold prices have fallen as the dollar strengthened, influenced by Trump's rhetoric on the greenback's global role. Since gold does not pay interest, a stronger dollar weighs on the yellow metal's price. Currently, there aren't many investors worried about Bitcoin's future during this honeymoon period. The asset's value has increased from 5 cents in 2010 to $100,000 today. Exaggerated price projections for the OG coin, which were formerly thought to be the stuff of fantasies, are starting to seem more reasonable. Some analysts estimate the OG token price will reach $500,000 or perhaps $1 million. But the naysayers clamor about the risks, and volatility is also on the rise. Business Bureau, WION World is One.